Alright guys, I've got another one for you. My right front passenger door on this 2003 Land Rover Discovery 2. The window goes up and down, but sometimes, not every time, turns to one side. And then if you're driving and you're trying to raise it up and down and it flops, then you can't actually finish raising it all the way up. You've got to pull over or have somebody else twist it when you push the button and it goes up. I think something's just broke. I'm gonna check it out, see what it is, try to get it fixed. Hope this helps you out. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to get this door card off and so I can get to this window and things behind it. Alright guys, I think I got all the screws out. Now I'm going to have to pop the door up. This right here is a trim piece on the top. If you can just kind of pry up on this a little. It'll help. Just snaps in. One, two, three, four. 6, 7, 8. I missed one. One more screw right here behind this handle. The last of those. It's all loose. It's all loose now. I got them all snapped out. Just lift up. See if I can pull this out. There it comes. got a couple plugs for a speaker. There's that one. I think this one's a speaker too. Come loose. There it went. Everything came off good. Everything's off. All my little things are here except for two on the bottom, which they weren't there to begin with, I guess. So somebody probably broke them off or something. Okay guys, I found the problem. It doesn't happen all the time, but right here, this little plastic piece that rolls with the window up and down is broke. So I'm going to have to take the window bracket off to see if I can fix it. I have to use this 5/16 socket. Here's the other. There we go. Screwdriver I can stick in here to catch it. Can you get that out? There's the part that broke. I just gotta pry this out of there and see if I can find something I can use to replace it. There it is. Okay guys, I took a little washer like this and I took a little Dremel and kind of went in there and made the hole just a little bit bigger and got it to come over here where this part was broke. Now this little wheel of this washer is going to make my window go up and down without it coming off track or one side being up and one side being down. It'll be straight again. Okay guys, put those little bolts back on to hold the window on. Just gonna pull this plastic back down, maybe put some duct tape to cover, to keep the plastic from moving. Put the panel back on and should be good to go. We'll test it out, make sure it works. just to make it look a little neater and keep moisture and stuff out. Gotta re-plug up my wires. This back through. Pop it back in. Make sure you're in your holes. Trim piece. Back on there. That will start. It's tricky. Look at this magnet. Yeah. That one's going in either. That one started. Fall out. Alright guys, that wraps up another one. The little washer that I took a Dremel to fit right in there once I got it cut out good enough, and I didn't take it down too much where it'd fall out, but you know, where I could just kind of force it on there, and once I could do that and it would spin on there, it worked just like the other one. So I don't think this part's gonna, you know, break after years of use, and I don't think it's gonna make any real noise going up and down. I didn't hear anything, but yeah, I got it back together. It's working good. Hope this video helps some people out. I saw this idea in a forum, so it wasn't my idea, but I thought I'd give it a try, and it worked pretty good for me. If you like this video, just like and subscribe. I've got some more things coming. Thanks for watching.